Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. This is part 2. Earlier today, I made a video. So this document has 273 characters without the spaces counted. And I actually said in there, maybe someone will chime in, because I've never even known this was here. If you go to File and Document Properties and scroll down, we have 340. We have the same 74 words, but we have 349. But if we go let me get out a calculator, 349 minus the 74 words is 275. Let's go back to and it's 273. So it's really, really close to get a general. This is going to be better. And I want to test this out. Let's take away all this. And let's type out Corel. I'm just going to do all caps. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 characters, but we have 2 spaces. So let's see if this comes up with 23. And let's go back now to the internet, and if we cut and paste, so remember 23 characters. So let's take our text tool and select this, and then right click and copy it, go back to the internet, get rid of this text I used, and put this, and then go count 23 characters, 20 without spaces, and I can't remember what we had in this. I'm bad at remembering. I should have typed it out. 23 characters. So, you know, on a smaller amount, it's going to be perfect, because you could actually count them. I don't know what I did with my screen. But anyway, it worked. So I thank that viewer or subscriber I never even knew this was here. Pretty neat trick. Now, it'd be very easily just to count these, but if you had hundreds of words on a page, at least it's going to get you in the ballpark. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.